Alright, so today we're looking at the RH30. It's a 3-ton cabbed AC mini excavator. It comes stock with a hydraulic quick hitch, 2 auxiliary lines. Hydraulic thumb is optional. It has swing boom, can have expanding tracks. It's a 2-speed, very well designed. Weld qualities are great. Piston quality is great. Uses European, specifically Italian components for hydraulics. The interior is designed for operator comfort. You got AC and heat, radio, nice solid glass panels, safety opening in the front, side door. You have ISO and SAE switch for controls. There is 2-speed functionality like I mentioned before. True counterweight, nice and solid in the back. It's got the D1105 engine. Open this guy up so you can see. You also have this access. This is your hydraulic tank. This is that piston pump, nice and beefy. It's a very well built machine, pro grade. You can tell by the finish, you can tell by the weld quality, all the things they add. It's made for our US domestic use. It's not small like other machines. You got plenty of space in here for US size operators. Plenty of safety features, swing arm, seat safety for operation, nice comfortable seat at that too. Very nice machine. We just got a few in and we're getting more in, so if you're interested, let us know.